officially entered the CNC machining industry in 2005, working as a shift leader, supervisor, and then manager until I was about 40. It was like we were unemployed, you know. Starting a business actually requires a lot of courage, right? Yeah, many nights I didn't even think about sleeping. Sleep was just out of the question. Especially to keep an eye on the goods, we were always up at night. Our customers gave us a lot of confidence. Regarding quality and delivery, we do our best to deliver what we promised. Today is the end of January 2026. It's been nearly 2 years and the 5 machines we haven't needed a single repair. In January 2026, we purchased another 10 units from Taikan. So far, we have a total of 26 machines. The importance of a good machine tool for machining quality, I think, can be described as 100%. The system is quite stable, including tool changes and precision and our after-sales service. All of these meet the actual needs of users. Actually, many CNC entrepreneurs like us started out in factories. Only by doing our work well, ensuring timely delivery, high quality, and good service, will customers naturally give us more orders. When the opportunity comes, we can calmly and efficiently handle the business and complete the orders.